Salad dressing day. So excited because salad dressings are super easy to make, and if you make them homemade, you're gonna save all of the time of just buying gross ones at the store. And they're not really good for you. They're filled with a bunch of crap and it's just not very good. So, tricks with salad dressings. First thing is to buy good ingredients. So I love good balsamics, good olive oils, and that's really kind of where I spend my money when I'm buying ingredients for salad dressings. So the basis to a good salad dressing is an acid, which is either balsamics or vinegars, or you can use citrus juice. So we're gonna do a variety this week. A couple of them have just balsamics, a couple of them have just citrus, so there's a good array of that. Then you need an oil. So I like to use a good extra virgin olive oil. This is gonna add a lot of flavor, or I like to use liquid coconut oil. I don't really like to use like a vegetable oil or stuff like that, just because it's not as healthy and it doesn't really give you any flavor. This one doesn't give you flavor either, but it's just a healthier option. And then you need, sorry, I'm like out of breath. I'm pregnant and I'm already out of breath. This is bad. So you need an emulsifier. So an emulsifier helps to bind your oil with your vinegar. And emulsifiers can be things like honey or Dijon mustard or agave or even like an avocado, something with a little bit of fat in it. And what that does is when you blend it up, it becomes smooth and all of those molecules of the oil and vinegars bind together and stick together so you don't get separation, because that's the worst thing, right? Is when you see this bottle of dressing that's like, here's your olive oil, here's your vinegar. So basically that's the basics on vinegars and dressings. One quick thing, this guy is my favorite. Like I said, you can head to the shop, buy it on moremama.com. It's right there for you. It's from Italy, so you're getting a great product and it's super sweet. So this one is a keeper. Okay, the next one is a dark balsamic. So what you want to see if you're buying a dark balsamic is this seal up here. See this seal, other than my gross nails that I need to take off? This seal right here is a seal of authenticity. So what happens in Italy is they have processes and laws and regulations on their food. And this little guy, this seal, makes it so you know that this product is from Modena, which is the highest yielding region in Italy that does vinegars. So this is what you want to see, that little seal at the top. They also have that for oils too, and cheeses and everything else. So literally that little seal is what you want to see. So that's the authenticity seal. Another thing that a lot of people use is this balsamic glaze, which is really thick and sweet, and you can use that, but a lot of times what it is just balsamic vinegar that's boiled with sugar, and so it becomes thick and all of that. If you want to be a little bit healthier and not go this route, you can buy an aged balsamic. So the longer balsamic's aged for, the thicker it gets and the sweeter it gets. So that's another option.
Mommy,
Yes, Logie.
shake?
Yeah, hold on.
Would you
Logie
put
wants a
that in
shake. Okay, so another thing is our citrus. I love using citrus. I'm going to teach you how to do citrus zest and what types of citrus to use in your dressings and how long it lasts for in the fridge and all of that. So that's good. And then our oils. So another investment that I would say is to invest in a good bottle of olive oil. Olive oil is really yummy and it's healthy for you. You want to get extra virgin olive oil. That extra virgin olive oil means it's the first press of the olive. And the first press of the olive is going to give you a really good flavor. Logan's going to be helping me, by the way, all this week, right, Logan? You're going to be helping me cook? Yeah. Okay. So that's the other thing about olive oils. Invest in a good one. This one's on the shop as well. Okay. And then you want seasoning. So things like kosher salt. On some of our dressings that we're going to do this week, we're going to use herbs, fresh herbs, and dried herbs. So stay tuned, and you're going to watch this guy cook with me. It's going to be fun.